good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
How I feel? That
Make a jar there or junction.
oh, wait a minute, how 7 miles left over Hawana. Pacho.
Left.
No,
Me-
because
me
me say,
quite
no,
like-
matter if you are not crying, not then do. Let me help you, okay? Let me help you. I also make up create feeding kitten. It's not nice. Okay, but I'm doing the virus.
Priscilla.
Yeah, I'm a business mogul. My business, like I do buying and selling of gold. Me person make us a brilliant like I'm help uncle. Why? Let me just be a gentleman. I mean, be a donor. First, how are you? Well, we are very nice girl.
Thank you.
Now, come on, in Priscilla for bed to say 4. Will be our wife. I didn't name Priscilla and I have never.
I'm sure.
Priscilla upon me, I mean, it's a very, very pretty girl. Okay, like I was saying, you know, I am a business mogul. Me dealing in buying and selling of gold. And then aside that, I'm also a managing artist. Me who need to make a be say, me who I saw there. And then I must be honest, I was a mechanical crime as me already. It's real. Actually, if it's I'm back home, I say, in the name of good business, yeah. Because I say, my son can't, yeah, I'm good, like most of the time, I'm a 3D. And then big people like Ibrahim Mahama, some couple of guys from Africa, I'm not in a 3D. My Okumasa for bed is 2 months in me. But no crab, I'm back to Masono. We meet one girl, no, a very nice and a lifestyle. But I'm hoping, sir, what the Slim who are Macoma is a person.
Why? What was bad about her?
Oh, it's a long story. Ain't me can see Prissy. Because I can see like a very simple
Men and their stories.
No, forget about men and their stories. Say Nipa no anya I mean can be and chantro. I mean, and then like at tender age 7, then I control billions. That's a me try. Even money will not forgive me, and God will also not forgive me. Priscilla, I think say you do destination until let me just give you something. I mean something small. It's quite unfortunate. I mean, this is all my home.
Okay.
So let me just give you this $200 in a fat shape for the meantime, and then at the right time, I should show.
Okay.
Just let me have your number and then I feel. So I do over plans to say. Uncle baby. Okay. Mewo Bugalu Hotel. I was quite silent. If you are free, that's what meet me about now. You think come on, I'll be very, very happy.
Okay. You have my number now, so if anything,
let's not forget. But someone worried there.
No, not married.
Only boyfriend. I mean, serious boyfriend. Well, when someone make a come, and yet to 7 over a trim, and I'd be out 2x4 be out.
Mini boyfriend, mini
real business mugo be and be no funny serious. You understand?
Yes.
And then the way we sit here, I tried to about if I'm to ask her. Asking like, Mama, what are you saying?
Jamaica, punches, hot knockers, I'm spitting on his hater. Whole lot of rappers, I've been in this game. Everybody wanna rap up. My hood is the best. Wake up early from this money dreaming. I'm flawless. I'm early for this party, but my sneakers is the latest. Hustle in my hood. Started in a Camry, but next year I'ma wake up in a new Bugatti. That means in my hood we got luck, we lucky. The girls, them fresh, better like them jockeys.
Miles.
Martin, from Mama.
Huh?
Okay,
Wow.
wow.
Oh, but crummy, Janet just means the Uber never to over from me. Come on, dear.
Oh, see Uber. See Uber. If you want me banners and me to Uber and my own very. As a business mogul like me, tell me how to me for Uber. What's the last time I got to say? Me so be for range. I don't think 4 days in ma.
How will the be?
I got the free Tema Boy. So I got the manager Angel Town. One of the free Tema Boy.
Baby.
So I feel like I'm saying I was my baby eating kind 18 months. I don't know how I want to be. We are not going back to who surprised you. We are not going back to hotel and the Biani.
What are you?
Or reception. Tag any tata me no.
What day? No one can show me.
Hey, he said, "O tata me ama me pina ho sa amen tiase."
There is who be ma be one ho. Enti ala.
I'm not time me ni range ni do hotel man na do wa be bu ni kara ya me ne na.
What girl no?
Dia am say no. Enya anta enya ntua. Se me tena ho no ma ana obenya kwan ye.
Eye cross way free.
Se na me si no ma me na papa sia kasa. Me be se me ye ho ade na me pet temptation bia. Timbacho. We are moving to a different place, okay?
Range. See me chop.
Say an ebe number. Dini the ebe maintain. Others ebe dina flow. Me maintain V. Near the ayaba. Near the araba. Near the yuaba. Near the esaba. Near the one about virus one. Na ahano. Me you Range Rover the Fiat. Na me the B mogul meaning business mogul.
Maybe William
Baba no new man na cotton na freely Range Rover Evoke. Come here. Evoke.
Like them jockeys, I keeping on making it dope, keeping on popping and making it hits, keeping on shaking their body, they ready to work. We give it to them everywhere we go. We make them 9 to move the flow. Yeah, and me try now who they go to. Who need material can palu that them tiakumo. Yeah, me better, and tina never better. When you know who is me better, look who wanna finish. Say me rap your mom of them now my bum. I'm a TNT star doing this for my hood. Keep life over, thank you so low. Say more to the head up on your friend, what's in the dose. Say me rap your mom of them, now my friend won't. I'm a TNT star doing this for my hood.
Now, mommy, say, our Rihanna says, where you will be a business name of Ghana now, there.
Oh, yeah.
When you die now. Okay, because looking at things now, I never remember Casa. If you're not first week of next month, number 6 date in the say.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
But me say, yeah, so special say, the way I Kennedy or say, that's why ban the year, and I say, Ghana, how non the na talk of the town. They say, yeah, the private jet a year wedding. I say, because say, I never wedding or private jet, still I Kennedy was MBBT.
Yeah.
Private jet, I say, now hold over some years. And Tia, the anima, na. Dignitaries in the end, at what was on the metro.
Okay.
Or be a member said, your toys are free and painful. The flight in the end, not back to us. Ghana has a group beside as a flight means and at what was we. Now yet 2 balloon free to go for. Balloons will be an Udio, Vidio. Sir. Virus wet good. At Tigu. As an acid despite in the
yeah, too already.
That's our wedding. Nanka, so me be America. But on me, and I'm some plan is and I'm a fagin. Ada me the good we can American I'm far in the end. The baby.
Yeah, the two medi.
The suit me kwa kra so nim say suit na ba be na 12,000 Ghana cedis.
No sir.
Yeah. Suit na condition wo. Nti drew say wo do otimi mia nche me na e buffer on.
Okay.
Me tia am na cutting the 5,000. Ne grab say akwase me nyibu ba boni ma no. But me ni eyi o me ho. Me sika nya ko dollars ni gold na ngwa. Na me si me bisa say bit me na 5,000 ama me. Ka pushi masa number no. Na nya me adoma me $6 na my head. Me the amount because I want things to be in order. I mean order. What I say. So that my plan, you know. James Kennedy was saying, or doing saying, where then the who gonna attend us. Who name say me betting it. I am a business mogul. It's about just over 5,000. Nanka means sent him a guy. What I say?
Okay.
Oh yeah, I nice if you intend them. Oh, the end only be free Switzerland naba. JD. And I ain't kind and a baby.
Honey, maybe. Can't deal, but now my plan is come the baby, but come say me home can.
No, when you push me at 1 week time, me person me $6 but that's $1 rating, but say a fork a
oh, many problems, sir.
Mama information saying I'm my next week $1 rating because team person me say na aye pukum. Na say me two goose one me na akwa na two goose. Na me where then me plan say flight ni mu. Unza am for you where am for na tuske go am so. Ba me na me tuske go am for so. What are you talking about? But you where do you be and you be that Ghana has seen?
Any problem if I know money, mommy.
I'll just let them know that I am a business mogul.
All right, no money.
Memo Bonsha Honum.
Okay.
You never ban here at Abuaji. You never ban here at Abuaji.
Why do you know? They are all to see to.
Yeah.
Okay, but no money. Me for this kind of
Atabuaji.
Okay.
Anna, and you might be born wedding, I see it.
What's it in your day?
Atabuaji. Yeah, and Navan.
Yeah.
And you might be born wedding, I see it. A would they see never your no later. Okay, so to us a yo decision over your you later.
Better like them jockeys. I keeping on making it, don't keeping on popping and making the hits. Keeping on shaking their body, they ready to run on.
And then, just one. Ah, what's in